What's up, Hennessy Squad? Yeah, I'm back with another video today. And like always, if you ain't bringing Hennessy to the party, bitch, don't come. Period. Period. Okay, so today, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm doing a little mukbang and a story time. So, this should be interesting because, girl, let me tell y'all something. But this is what I'm eating. I got me 2 little pieces of chicken, 2 pieces of chicken, and 2 fish sandwiches. So, if y'all don't know what I just did when I said, bitch, that was the thumbnail, period. Okay, so, we just gonna go ahead and get it in, get it started, get it going, get it popping. So, this story time is when I met this boy and we did the do. And this was recently, like almost 2 weeks ago. So, oh, and I got some water, drinking some water. So, we just gonna go ahead on and talk about this and eat. So, this boy, we met on this app or whatever, and we was talking for a little bit. For a good little minute, we was talking and stuff. So me and this boy was talking, and he was like, what you doing? I'm like, nothing. He said, you trying to, am I trying to like smoke with him? So, bitch, so this boy, he was like, so he asked me was I trying to smoke or whatever. And I'm like, yeah, sure, whatever. And then he was like, but I gotta come to your house. But mind you, I was here by myself at the time. But my friends stayed with me. 2 of my friends, they stayed with me. They both girls. And they was at work, I believe. And me and him just texting and stuff, and I sent him my address, and he came over here. So when he get here, we didn't do nothing. We ain't do nothing like sexual or nothing yet. I'm gonna get to that part. But he when we got here, I rolled up my you know what? I don't want to say it because kids be watching, but y'all know. We rolled up our little cigarettes. I'm gonna say cigarettes. We rolled them up, and then me and him was smoking. And me, I like to smoke. I like to smoke a lot. And every time I rolled up one, I rolled up another. So then get to the moment where I look at him and I see this boy high as hell. See, he off of it because he got tired. He started falling asleep. But as he was just sitting there after we smoked his stuff, he was all in his phone. Wasn't trying to hold a conversation or nothing. But I don't know, it's something. But eventually he got off his phone and we just started talking or whatever. And then when we started talking and stuff, he was just sitting back, chilling, talking. I was sitting like right beside him, and when I tell y'all, he was just you know how boys sit, how men sit. They sit back and they be slouched down. He was sitting like that with his hands on his lap. So so me by me being the freak that I am, I got my hand. I put it into his pants. I didn't put my hand in his drawers. I put him in like between his pants and his drawers, like yeah. Just in his pants. And I started feeling on his. You know what? Yeah, that. It was a nice one. It was a nice one. So then I go get ready to go down on him, and he's like, "Wait, I need to freshen up first." I said, "I like that. I like that. When you know your stuff musty, don't have nobody just go put their face down there. That's nasty. Like, no. If you know you musty down there, boy, you better go clean yourself first." And I'm glad he was very respectful, and he said that I need to go freshen up first. So he went and freshened up or whatever, cleaned it or whatever and stuff like that. So he come back, he pulled his pants all the way down, and he started playing with it. And I get in my position and I move his hand like, "Move, I got this." So I move his hand and I start, you know what? And he loved it. But the minute we start, there go my friend calling my fucking phone talking about let her in the house. Yeah, I was so blue. Like, I was so blue. It was crazy. I was like, really? Bitch, you had to come at the wrong fucking time. So then, she got in here, I introduced them or whatever, and then she had to go back out to her car for something. And when she went back out to her car, I had asked him, I'm like, "Do you want to get a hotel room? Do you want me to get a room so we can go there and do what we gotta do?" So, and he was like, "Yeah." So I get a hotel room, and I had my friend take us. So we get to the room, I pay for it and stuff. And then this good. It's hard to talk to you, but I wanted to do this. So I get to the room and I pay for it and stuff, and he tell me he's hungry. So me being nice, I order us some food. Well, really, I really ordered him food, not me, because I wasn't hungry. So I ordered him some food. And after the food came, he ate and shit. Then after he ate, so the room got 2 beds. The room had 2 beds. And after he ate, he laid on one of the beds, and I was still up. But me, I wanted some cock. So I go lay on him. I lay like on his side. He was laying on his side, and I went and laid on his side. Lay my head on his side. And not even like 5 minutes. Not even 5 seconds. He get up. He's like, hold up. And when he raised up and turned around, his stuff was like fucking hard as fuck. His stuff was hard as hell. So he put his pants down. He didn't take them all the way off. And I started doing my little, you know. I started doing my little, you know. And then after that, I'm like, you know what, this ain't gonna work. It's time to get comfortable. So I go take his pants all the way off, like take this off. Get between his legs, these his legs, and I get between his legs and I move his legs open and I just go to work. Just start. I just started doing it. So then, after a while, I kept looking up at him and he was loving it, bitch. Eyes was rolling back. All that. Eyes rolling back, legs shaking. Girl. So, and when I stopped, he like, do you get freaked? And I'm like, yeah, knowing dang on well I don't. But I'll say yeah, because I was drunk. I was already drunk and high. So when he say that, he get up, he like, okay. So he get up and then I take my clothes off and get on the bed on all fours. And he come up behind me. He ain't eat it or nothing. He came up behind me, started playing with my booty. And he had the spit shine. So he spit. It went in. He was getting ready to put it in. And as he was going in, it started to go in like easy as fuck. I'm like, what the fuck? I don't have that. So, and this boy, this boy went so fucking deep. It was crazy. He went so deep, y'all. It's like, I wanted to cry, but it felt good at the same time. He went deep as fuck. And when he went deep, he just started going. I'm like, you know me. I'm moaning and cussing and go faster, go deeper. But then I got in my mood, like I was ready. I was ready. So he came. After he came, he told me, he said, you want to take it out? I said, no, keep it in there. So he kept it in after he came. And he kept going, bitch. He kept motherfucking going. And he came again. I was in love. I'm telling y'all, that was the best motherfucking dick in my life. Like, it was the best. And I don't know, to this day, I still talk to him. and we still be trying to link up and stuff. But he don't be on my side of town that much. But we do still be talking on the phone or whatever. But I'll tell y'all, that was the best. That was the best cocktail. It was the best. And he only 18. And y'all know how old I am. But that's crazy because it be the DL niggas that still like girls that be wanting to freak on me. And they be wanting me to suck they stuff and stuff. But when I want to do it with an actual gay dude that's a top, they don't even want to do it. Like, they be blowing me. But that's the story that I had to tell y'all, whatever. No, right now, we about to finish this. I'm almost done. I'm gonna end this video. I got so I'm gonna need y'all to go follow my Instagram. I'm gonna say this now. Follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. I'm gonna put it in the description box below. And it's gonna be on my intro video, and no, it's gonna be on the outro video. So if you watch it all the way through, you'll see it. But yeah. Cause see, when I look like this, the boys gonna be here, whether I'm a boy or not. You know what I mean? Here. Cause I'll be on the Monkey app, and I was on there the other day, and this man came on here talking about something. Is you a girl? I'm like, no. He was like, you lying. I'm not. I'm not country tell. You know, say, show me your ass. I'm like, no. And girl, this man done whipped his stuff out on that app. I asked to see it. He thought I was gonna motherfucking send him naked videos and stuff. No, I don't do that. I don't do that, baby girl. This is so good. But yeah, that's my story. I'm gonna go on end the video. I'm gonna finish my sandwich. Like I said, I got some stuff coming for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know once it's in full effect. It's my own website and shit. I'm selling stuff now, so like I said, if it ain't Hennessy, don't come to the party. And I hope y'all have a blessed day and all that. And yeah, I'm out. And I'll see y'all in the next video. And don't forget to go in the description box and add me on. Excuse me. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Snapchat. Ooh, girl, this shit good as hell. But like I said, follow me on Instagram and add me on Snapchat. It's gonna be in the description box below. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.